Did you know that the apparel manufacturing industry loses an estimated $50 billion annually due to inefficiencies and a lack of transparency? Imagine being a manufacturer in this industry, constantly battling with unseen bottlenecks, unexpected delays, and unexplained costs. It's like trying to navigate through a storm without a compass. Now, picture a different scenario. Imagine having a digital compass, a tool that not only guides you through the storm but also helps you avoid it altogether. That's what StitchOS does for apparel manufacturers. StitchOS is a comprehensive end-to-end solution tailored for the apparel manufacturing industry. It's like having a consultant, a manager, and a foreman all rolled into one, constantly working to streamline operations, reduce defects, and boost efficiency. With StitchOS, manufacturers gain real-time control over their factory operations. This isn't just about being aware of what's happening on the factory floor. It's about understanding the implications, making informed decisions, and seeing a significant reduction in defects per 100 units. Consider the impact of an efficiency supercharge. With StitchOS, manufacturers can expect improvements of up to 15%. That's like adding an extra day to your work week. It's about getting more from your resources and making your processes work harder for you. Transparency is no longer a luxury in today's global market. It's a necessity. StitchOS offers unparalleled transparency across the entire supply chain. Manufacturers and their global partners gain a clear view of order progress, leading to on-time, in-full performance improvements. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the status of every order at any given moment. And it doesn't stop there. StitchOS is committed to helping manufacturers meet compliance standards and achieve sustainability goals. It's about doing business ethically, sourcing responsibly, and operating sustainably. In essence, StitchOS is revolutionizing apparel manufacturing. It's about taking operations to the next level, enhancing productivity, meeting industry standards, and ensuring a transparent, ethical supply chain. It's not just about surviving the storm. It's about charting a course to calmer, more profitable seas. With StitchOS, the future of apparel manufacturing looks bright indeed.